by the sea.
Yup. Hebrews the Negroes. Yup. Hebrews the Negroes. Yup. Hebrews the Negroes. All praise to the Most High. Check me out, look. Knock, knock, it's that knowledge dropping duo. Do it big like it's sumo, still stacking like Duplo. Get the kudos when we linking up. Wash away the competition from your phones and libraries when we syncing up. Used to keep a Dutch, full fifth, any heater clutch. Since I found the truth, dropping knowledge seems street enough. Hebrews the Negroes, ain't no need to fuss. Disinfect the mic with antiseptic flow so I can clean the cuts. Y'all need a hero, send a beacon up. I get bread and I rap. What's up? Just say the beat is tough. Exodus 2.0, they trying to speed it up. Corrupt system, injustice is how it's leading up. System corrupt, but I'm trying to break it. Follow righteousness, I'm just trying to make it. Acquire the sense of self, now they trying to take it. Change my lifestyle, now people try to hate it. 250,000 for our reparations, plus a clean slate of credit. Okay, now we're back to basics. Own understanding makes you think less. I don't need mess, not political, I don't need cess. Trying to live, I don't need stress. Y'all deal with lies and deceit in your circle, that's why your team's vexed. We Israel's, why my team's next. Yehovah Elohim is our strength, that's why my team's blessed. I use peer pressure as my motivation. I'm fueled by the word, what's your motivation? I want it all, no negotiations. Cross praising and hating, I have no association. Associated with oral knowledge and moral basics. Morality's a joke in these horror places. Find myself in check, flipping through Torah pages. New norm, we all do it on a normal basis. Yehovah gets all praises.
By the sea.
Hebrews the Negroes. Praise the Most High. Praise the Most High. Praise the Most High. Praise Yah. Praise Yah. Hallelujah.